Hi, Sophie Andreu here. I want to help you understand and practice and actually do these things that might help you get all sorts of likes and all sorts of exposure and new clients. And what are these things? Talking about videos, but videos done as reels. We're going to have a full day on how to do live streams, reels, and other videos on February 21st. So I hope you might join us. And this is what I'm talking about. So here is one of my clients. She got out there on her own on a day that was really slippery. And she did this little reel that showed how you actually use one of your products one of her products that she believes in. And so, what am I showing you here? She had 56,000 likes. Are you kidding me? I mean, that's insane. So not only did she have these likes from people that didn't know her, she also had a spike in a spike in people that visited her website. She had a spike in sales. She had a spike in exposure. You might think, well, okay, that's Christmas time. That's why it went up. Well, let's look 2 years ago. And it didn't go up like that 2 years ago. It went up a bit, but not to this extent. So these videos, these reels are really, really important for you to understand how to use. And something called live streams are just as important. So we're going to be practicing that together. And I'm looking forward to seeing you on February 21st. And where's my little flyer on that? Here it is. So I'm hoping that you're going to come February 21st, hands-on workshop. You're going to want to bring your laptop and cell phone because it is going to be hands-on. We're going to be creating videos for social, mainly for reels, websites, and your emails and live streams because they're really important. Okay, and we'll have some checklists and some little videos that you can go back with and kind of look at as resources later on. And if you want to register, please call Mary at 519 or email her. And we'll see you on the 21st of February. Woo!